Hello, my lovely Leos. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Leos, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of July 2021. Please note that it is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So, Leos, like you're saying that I have already laid down the cards because I want to focus on passing more and more messages in this reading and wanted to reduce the shuffling time. Okay. From last month I have changed the pattern of the reading. I am doing a 5 card spread followed by oracle cards, a crystal card, and also from this month I am adding tarot charms to all the readings. Okay, so it's a fun element, guys. I won't be looking at these charms while pulling for you guys, and it's not only fun but it will give you some additional insights as to what to expect or some additional messages from the universe. Okay, so stay tuned till the end, guys. It's going to be super fun. So, Leos, coming to your energy, while pre-shuffling and meditating, I was feeling energy of someone who is super duper bored. Okay, like really bored, not motivated, not feeling motivated, not feeling like doing anything, feeling a little lethargic. Also someone who is extremely guarded. Okay, someone who is extremely cautious, someone who is very much alert, someone who is kind of little closed out, not wanting people to, or not allowing people to read on what's going on in their mind. Okay, someone is extremely guarded is what I'm feeling, like very strongly. The cards are not coming out. Usually the cards jump out. Okay, when I start pre-shuffling and meditating, the cards start jumping out, but the cards refuse to fall out, and I was having the feeling of extreme guardedness. Okay, someone is really very much alert. Okay, so take how it resonates with you guys. Okay, yeah. So let's jump into your reading. The energy in your immediate or your current energy rather is that of 7 of Wands. It's again a fire energy. So guys, I wanted to clarify this 7 of Wands energy. So this is clarified by 2 of Wands. Now to me it looks like you are trying to make some decision. Okay, but there is a lot of you're coming across a lot of conflicts or a lot of obstacles at arriving to that decision. Okay, there are certain obstacles, there are certain hurdles because of which you are not able to decide. Okay, you are not able to move ahead, you are kind of feeling stuck. Okay, I feel that this is related to your profession. Probably you are trying to try something new in terms of profession, try to do something new in terms of profession. Probably you are trying to decide to take an opportunity outside city, outside your country, but you are not able to do that because there are certain hurdles, there are certain obstacles. Okay, could be that there might be some unhealthy competition, unhealthy energy around you, toxicity around you, which is preventing you from arriving at this decision. Okay, that is also what I'm strongly getting right now. The energy in your recent past is that of Fool card. Okay, now this is you who is, now this is very much making sense, guys. I feel that you want to break free, you want to do something out of the box. Like I said, I was experiencing an energy of someone who is extremely bored. Okay, I couldn't stop yawning first thing, and the yawns were not out of exhaustion or exertion. Okay, they were surely out of boredom is what I was feeling. Okay, and someone is like kind of feeling very much stuck, or feeling that everything is the life, it's like the life has become very monotonous. Okay, someone is thinking, I need to do something else, I need to do something, I need to try something. Okay, and you guys have something in your mind, you want to take this leap. Excuse me, guys, I have not been keeping well since last couple of days. Sorry about that. So guys, you really want to break free, you really want to take this leap. Okay, you have enough experience for taking this action. At the same time, you are very much eager to do something new and try something new out. Okay, that's how you are moving into your current energy. But there are certain hurdles, like I said, there is certain toxicity around you which is kind of keeping you away, or holding you back from taking this decision. Nevertheless, guys, there is a good news. In your immediate future, there is this Ace of Pentacles. I feel that you are going to break through, you are going to take that leap. Okay, you are going to make this decision, and you are going to grab this opportunity which is going to come your way. Okay, and you're going to be super duper happy about it. Okay, this is something which is kind of give you, which is going to give you that much needed push. Okay, right now from boredom to a very happening thing. Okay, it's going to give you kind of 360-degree change. Okay, this is something which is going to make you feel alive. It is going to bring you a lot of abundance, a lot of prosperity, a lot of creative satisfaction is what I'm getting over here. Something which will like, bring you back on the track, because the energy that I was feeling was very much unlike Leo. Okay, Leo is a very fiery energy, very passionate energy. Okay, and the energy that I was experiencing is completely unlike Leo. So don't worry, guys, you are going to get that push, and life is going to be back again on track very soon. That's a very good news that I am getting over here. The energy in your block is that of Three of Pentacles. Now, yes, this is what I was talking about when I spoke about toxicity being around you. I feel that there is some unhealthy competition around you. Okay, there is maybe at your workplace there might be some jealous energies who are unnecessarily competitive. There are certain energies, unfortunately, who do not allow us to succeed. Okay, who become unnecessarily competitive. Maybe you are struggling with one such energy. Okay, guys, because this card has come into blockages position, I really feel that you are struggling with some sort of toxicity at your workplace. But like I said, you are going to overcome this, and you are going to succeed is what I'm getting. It's just a matter of time, and it's just a matter of persistence, perseverance, and doing the right things, taking the right decisions, taking the right steps is what I'm seeing over here. The energy at the advice level is that of Ten of Cups. Now, this is a very beautiful energy, guys. This talks about complete what do I say? Complete family picture, a perfect family picture. I think that you are going to move into this energy wherein life will be perfect again. Okay, you'll have the career that you had dreamed of, you'll have the family that you have dreamed of. Okay, everything will fall into place. Okay, the Fool is also indicative of life coming full circle. Okay, you are going to learn your lessons and start afresh, give something another shot. Okay, a fresh start. Okay, and since it is backed by Ace of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles, I feel that you are going to get another fresh chance towards life altogether. Okay, it's going to be a new beginning in terms of your professional life, as well as this will bring a lot of peace in your personal life as well, is what I'm getting over here. Very nice energy, guys, overall. So the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Now this card kept on popping up when I was shuffling. Like I was seeing this card a lot of times when I was shuffling for you guys. So like I said, currently you are sitting in this energy of not feeling motivated, not feeling like doing anything, feeling kind of a little disoriented, lack of enthusiasm. That kind of energy is what I'm getting over here, guys. So get over it, get into the groove, guys. Take the right decisions and success will be yours. Two of Cups and Hierophant and Ten of Cups. Now this to me looks like I'll take the Ace of Pentacles card here as well in this context. For some of you guys are going to end up getting married. Okay, this could be a soulmate relationship which is going to count for, which will culminate into marriage and a perfect family picture for you guys. Definitely new beginnings in terms of personal life for some of you guys. Know that this relationship is, what do I say, despite of the hurdles, despite of the obstacles, you two are going to be together, and this will definitely end up in marriage. Okay, the hurdles could be because of two people coming together from two different backgrounds. Okay, you could be from different communities, religions. Okay, there will be significant difference between your upbringings. That could be the reason of conflict, but nevertheless it's going to lead to all the conflicts will be resolved, and you'll end up being into this 10 of cup energy. It's a very beautiful energy, guys, which will be full of love and peace and abundance, guys. That's what I'm getting. It's overall a beautiful energy, Leos. Though it started on a very serious and not so energetic mode, the reading has definitely picked up pace, and that's what is important. Okay, no matter where you are right now, how it is going to lead or how it is going to change is very important. So just gear up and start allowing or start welcoming or making room for these new energies to enter in your life is what I would like to tell you. The energy, overall energy for you guys from this oracle card is there are two very specific messages. One is music for manifestation and mother healing. Now this card talks about to manifest rapidly, think of your desire while you chant, hum, sing or play music. Now I feel, guys, since you are sitting in the energy of boredom, I would what do I say, I would suggest shifting your focus, shifting your vibrations. Okay, if you're feeling bored, just get out and get out, move out of the house and take a walk around, or maybe catch up with a friend. Okay, or listen to music, whatever it is. Okay, watch a movie, whatever it is. Do something that will make you a shade better at that particular moment of time, and then keep on doing this progressively. Shift your vibrations, and whatever these new energies that you are trying to attract, knowingly or unknowingly, they'll come soon to you, guys. Okay, if you are sitting in this two of wands decision wherein you're not able to decide anything, once you start shifting your focus, once you start shifting your vibrations, you'll be able to take the right decision. Okay, music for manifesting is the card that the guides are telling. Okay, music can help rapid manifestation is what the universe is trying to tell. So try it out. I also want to try. Whenever I get this card, I make a mental note and I forget about it, but yeah, it's definitely worth trying. Now this is another very specific message, mother healing. As your feelings towards your mother heal, your desires manifest more rapidly and accurately. It's a lovely message. So guys, if you are having any conflict with your parents, especially your mother, please note that you resolve that conflict ASAP. Do not hold any grudges, especially with your parents. It's very sad when I come across people who are at loggerheads with their parents, especially. Okay, please do not do that. Whatever the issues are, please let bygones be bygones. Forgive people, seek forgiveness. Okay, it will only and only help you grow. Okay, you'll get their blessings, your vibrations will change, your aura will change, and needless to say, you'll end up manifesting very quickly. Lovely message, guys, worth making a note. We don't get this card quite often, and whenever we get it, we should really pay notice to it. The crystal for you guys this month is malachite. It's a very interesting crystal. It's very interesting looking as well, and this crystal holds a very significant message, guys. I'm going to read it out for you guys. Malachite brings to light ingrained programming and toxic beliefs. Yeah, like I said, there is definitely some toxicity around you. This toxicity could be external or it could be your own created. Okay, created by your own thought processes. So please ensure that you get rid of that. An amulet against pain. This is a powerful stone for emotional transformation. It stimulates the survival instinct. Unconscious programs or beliefs cause psychosomatic diseases. Go willingly into the depths. Therapy may be needed. So yeah, take help, guys. Take help of friends, family. There are professional counselors. There are professional help if you require. Please do whatever it takes. Okay, take help. This Three of Pentacles could also signify that you need to collaborate with the right people to get through your obstacles. Okay. Your deepest fears become your greatest gifts as hidden abilities come to light. Go where angels fear to treat to bring back insights for your own healing and that of others. Explore your depths. Danger threatens. Not all is as it seems. Stand firm in your power. Have no fear. You survive. Protect yourself against unseen forces of powerful minds that manipulate you. Take a course to call up past life skills. Spread your wings. Do not become embroiled with a charismatic man. Okay. Detoxifying your mind, body, and emotions, and recognizing deep psychosomatic causes of diseases are a path to well-being. It's a very spiritual message, guys. This is a very spiritual. You guys need to, heal spiritually at some point, is what I'm getting from this card. Okay, heal your inner fears, heal your deepest fears. That if you're scared, if you're lacking confidence, okay, or if you're anxious about anything, please do not be anxious or worried. Okay, work on your fears. There is nothing to fear. Treat ahead with confidence. Okay, take help. Like I said, take professional help if required. Talk to friends, family. If you need this crystal in person, get in touch with me. I can arrange it for you. Do whatever it takes to overcome through this current unsettling vibrations, guys. You have very good energies lying up in your immediate future. So the more work you do on yourself vibrations, the quicker you will be able to attract these good abundant energies or changes in your life. Yes, so let's pull some tarot charms for you guys and see what additional messages we have for you. Like I said, I won't be looking at these charms when I'm pulling them. I'll just, based on my instincts, I'll pull them for you. Okay, I think I have pulled the same one again. Let me go with this. I want to take one more. Yeah. She believed so she could. She believed she could, so she did. This charm has been showing up in all my readings. Like yours is the 5th sign that I'm recording, and this charm really wants it to be heard. She believed she could, so she did. It's a wonderful message, guys. It's talking about confidence, and I really feel good when I'm getting this charm. And every hair from fair, some lines, deadlines, declines. I don't know what's written. And every hair from fair, some lines, declines. And every hair from fair, some lines, declines. I don't know what this means. Maybe this is calling for some caution. Okay, probably some warning sign, some instinct probably that you're getting, that you should stay away from doing something. That's what I'm getting from this charm, guys. I'll read again. And every hair from fair, some lines, declines. Yeah, probably, yeah, you're being cautious about something. Like I said, when I started shuffling, I got an energy of someone who is very guarded. So if you are getting some red flags intuitively, do pay attention to it, because this charm I'm pulling for the first time, and it definitely is talking about warning signs. Okay, so do pay attention. Find the joy in the journey. Wow, lovely. Find joy in the journey. I'm sure you won't be able to see it, but still I'll try my best to show. Find joy in the journey. So guys, destination is not important. Journey is equally important, and you should enjoy it. Life itself is a journey. Yeah. We are all mad here. Okay, what a lovely message and what a lovely charm. It's basically telling not to take life too seriously, guys. Just enjoy the process. Get up, gear up, buckle up. Okay, and just get going. You're Leons, come on. You're not supposed to stay like this dormant. Okay, you're a fire sign, you're a fiery energy. So just buckle up, guys, and get into groove ASAP. Okay guys, so I'll leave it at that. If any of this resonates with you, if this is your story, do give the video a thumbs up. Share your experiences through comments. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.